by Eric Afanyi, a Ghanaian artist. And he's represented today by Salon Hilary Fiaggio. Salon, here it is. The portrait is entitled Custodian of Heritage. It's a compelling collage artwork that honors Otumfuo, the king of Asante people of Ghana, celebrating his legacy and leadership as the custodian of tradition. This intricate piece, crafted from repurposed leather, beads, and metal scraps, captures the essence of his authority, cultural significance, and enduring influence on the Ashanti people. I now invite His Majesty and Vice Chancellor Sir Hilary to unveil the portrait of His Majesty, which the University is pleased to reveal and which is being unveiled in honor of His Majesty. Sir
Take a picture. Take a picture. Thank you. Thank you very much.